everybody, this is Spectra, and today we're on to day 6 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. Let's see, day 6, right here. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. And there goes the cat. Okay, we got another red hot sauce. Okay, gotta get it out. Okay, here we go. We got original hot sauce. So I guess it's the chili brand original. So let's open it up and see how it tastes. Okay, I got it open up and let's see how it tastes. Okay. It's pretty good. It kind of reminds me of, what is that sauce called? Red Hot. It reminds me of Frank's Red Hot. So now let's try it with the chip. Give me that. There we go. And let's see how it tastes. Tastes pretty good. I'd probably give it like a 7 out of 10. It's a pretty good hot sauce. The flavor could use a bit work. It has a nice kick to it. But overall, a 7 out of 10. So, yeah. That was... Get back in there. That was Day 6 of the Chili's Hot Sauce Advent Calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And with all that said, this has been Spectra, signing off.